Is Hyundai taking a step into the luxury market? Today we're going to be taking a look at the 2026 Hybrid Palisade Calligraphy. Let's go take a look at what they got. All right, hello everybody. This is Joshua from Patrick Hyundai. I just wanted to introduce you guys to this 26 Hybrid Palisade Calligraphy. This is the robust emerald, pretty popular, super hard to find, but we do have one in stock today. All right, so today we're going to be talking about a lot of tech on the car. We're going to be talking about the miles per gallon, the engine. We're also going to be talking about the dash cam and also the powered seats. Robust emerald, it's a really nice color that we have. It does have a nice gloss to it, kind of darkish at night. It does look kind of black. In the day, you do have a really nice green. But let's go take a look inside. All right, so when we step inside, we do have a nice brown interior. And as you guys seen, you do have automatic seats that open up as you open the door. Nice rollback for you as well. Once you do have a seat inside and you close the door, the seat does roll up forward for you. And then once you turn on the car, you do have a 12.3-inch display for your cluster and your maps, obviously. You do also have on this vehicle a digital climate control. All digital. You do have heated seats, cooling seats, a heated steering wheel. You do have access to the rear down here as well, so you can turn on the fan speed for your children back there. You do have up here a digital rear mirror. A really nice display. You can also have it where it's just a regular mirror, and then digital, if you do have any boxes in the back or if you do have any dogs that are blocking your view, you can always have that up there. One thing I did want to mention, with it being a calligraphy, Hyundai wants to know you're driving a calligraphy, wants to let your passengers know you're driving a calligraphy. So when you come in the car, on your headrest, you got the calligraphy logo on here, and you also have it on the passenger. Really nice. You also do have some really nice touches right here, some silver slots in here, ventilated seats, and you also get heated seats as well for the driver and passenger. 2.5 liter turbocharged 4-cylinder hybrid system, producing 329 horsepower and 339 pounds of torque. What's really cool about this car is the regenerative braking feature. So as you start to slow down, as you're using the brake, you're getting all your miles back that you've been driving on the highway. So you're getting off the expressway, you're in the city. It's a lot of stop and go traffic. You're getting all those miles, which is great. You do get 29 city, 30 highway miles per gallon, which is great. So fuel economy is really great. You probably visit the gas station a lot less than your gasoline vehicle, comparing it to hybrid. All right, now we're gonna take a look at the integrated dash cam, see how that works, see why it's important. So you scroll to your right, you can go one more over, it goes to the dash cam. You go to confirm, it just gives you a legal information display up there. Once you click confirm, opens it up for you. Up here, you have it on auto, so you can select if you want to have it recording while you're driving, while it's parked, or motion detected, or any driving events. Really nice, just because you can back up any information for any insurance claims, anything like that, or you can see parking events. So say someone throws iced coffee at you because they're mad that they beat you into the Starbucks line, then you can pull that up. You can also check out how it looks as well. So you got the live feed, you got your front and back, only records the front and back, doesn't record the sides. So always keep that in mind. So you can see all of your favorites, you can save your files. You can also have it where, Hyundai, they have it where it deletes after 4 days. You all could also see your time lapse, your videos, you can select them all categorized, and then your live back there. And then as we go back, you can go back to your home screen, just clicking out of there. You can go down here on home. Once you go up here, you do have a built-in navigation system, which is really nice. As you start driving, it does show you your speed limit here, and also on your cluster display up here, it does show your speed limit. And then as you're driving as well, it'll pick up here on your right side of it. It'll tell you if you're coming up on any stop signs, railroad signs, and what's really nice is school zones. We're going to be talking about the Ergo motion seats. When you click on this button here, it does turn on. So right up here, first button on your left, pops up a little display up here. So you got comfort stretch. Once you click the button, we're on pelvic right now. Once you go to lumbar, second option, third option is going to be whole body. You click it one more time, for off. So you got 3 nice settings on there for you. You can also customize it. So say you want to go to comfort, you can change it. If it's too strong for you, you can go to normal. You can do session lengths as well. So you want to do 20 minutes, 15, or 10. So that's a really nice feature to have, especially if you're taking long road trips. You are going to be driving very comfortable. You also have on here smart posture adjustment. So activates the posture assistance feature after 1 hour of driving, adjusts the hips and the waist. And then you also do have it when you're switching to drive modes. Say you're going to sport, your sport mode will activate these lumbar supporting, so it gets tighter around your waist. So now we also can go back home here. I did want to mention to you guys, with Hyundai, they do provide a BlueLink app. It's called My Hyundai with BlueLink. What's nice about the BlueLink app, you don't pay any subscriptions. They got rid of it. This is the first year, 2026. So say if you like doing a remote start from your app, you like locking your car, unlocking your car, you can also set up climate control all through your app. You can have it set up. With that BlueLink app, they made it lifetime. So as long as you're the primary owner, first owner, you're not going to be paying any subscriptions, which is really great. So now we're going to be talking about the digital key. It's a really nice feature, especially if you don't like carrying a lot of keys with you. You can just have it in your Apple Wallet. It's kind of like your Apple Cash. You can just use your phone to just drive away with your car, which is nice. So once you go set up your BlueLink app, you have to have that set up first. Once you go to setup here, you're going to go to vehicle, and then from vehicle you have your digital key. Your BlueLink app, you do place your phone in the car and it's going to have it saved, so now you can be just driving with just your phone, which is great. Make sure your house keys as well. Be sure to take your house keys. All right folks, now we're moving to the second row. This is where you're going to throw your Fruit Loop monsters and also your toddlers, kids, teens, whatever you want to throw back here. Right here you do have the second row powered seats. Right here is fully powered, so you got recline, you got your forward and back, and then you also have a really nice mode right here where you can go to sleep, enjoy your ride. It goes all the way back for you, so you can get a good night's rest in the car. Right here, when you open your door, you also do have your shading. So on your windows, block out the sun. One thing I did want to touch in on is Palisades. All of them come with this built-in safety feature with a speaker. So say any cars driving by, your kids are just opening the doors, this speaker will actually start beeping at them, letting them know there's incoming traffic, which is really nice. They added now a push and hold. So you just push down and hold. This will roll back now just because I pulled it forward. But now you just press and hold it. It's going to go forward for you, so you got access to jump in the third row. This is captain seating too, so you can always jump in the middle aisle. All right, so now we're in the third row. Really good space for like a good sized adult. I'm 5'9", maybe 6 foot on a good day. To all those short kings out there. I did want to mention about the headspace. You see right here, it's kind of like a dent right here. It's just for your third row passengers. Say you're like 6 foot like me. You got plenty of room up here. With the third row, what's really nice about the third row, you do got powered reclining seats here, so you can recline back. You got heated seats. Usually heated seats, they're known for the second row. You don't see that many out there with 3-row heated seats, which is really nice. You do got access in the third row, USB-C, 100 watts, and then you also do have back here your vents. So they got good airflow back here. They also do have these lights you just touch this one as well, it turns off. Say you are jumping out of the third row, same thing as I showed you, you just press and hold. That's going to go forward for you. You do get plenty of space as well, like I mentioned. Now that we talked about the third row, now we're going to go to the trunk. All right, now that we're in the trunk area, we're going to be talking about the stowing function. So back here, you do have your buttons and features to power your third row and second row. Now it's not a press anymore, it's a push and hold. So back here, you just tap on whichever feature, whichever function you want to do. You want to do second row, third, you press on that and it shows you left or right. So we're going to do the left third row. You just hold on to that. It goes down for you. You can also do all of them. I'll show you that in a minute as well. So once those go down nice and flat, say you got a car seat. One thing I did want to touch on with you guys as well, you do have anchors for the car seat for all 3 seats. You got one here, you got one here in the middle, and one here on the third. So you can throw boosters back here, car seats. Really nice feature up here. So now that you're done putting down your third row, What's really nice about it, now after leaving Patrick Hyundai, buying your brand new 26 Palisade Hybrid Calligraphy from Patrick Hyundai, now you can go to Best Buy and get a 60-inch flat screen TV. Look at all that space back there. You do get plenty of room. Back here, now that your seats are down, now you can have them all the way up as well. So you have this all feature. You can have them all powered up at the same time. A lot more quicker access. All right, so now that we're talking about the Palisade trunk access features, all those gadgets, I did want to let you guys know, in the storage in the trunk, you do have a tire mobility kit. In here you do have a glue and air compressor you can use. It does run on a flat, so you can take it to your nearby tire station. A lot of people don't know this. You also do have a built-in tow hitch, and that's for all calligraphies and limiteds. And that's right here. So you see this cover right here? This does pop up with these little pins that are down here, and you do have a tow hitch, which is really nice. So you're towing anything you want. Say you just bought your Palisade from Patrick Hyundai, you can go buy a boat if you wanted to, and there you go. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys learned a little bit of something about this awesome car. Again, this is 26 Palisade Hybrid Calligraphy, and again, this is Joshua from Patrick Hyundai in Schaumburg, Illinois. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.